What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to monitor SSD or hard drive health. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to use command prompt and we're going to type in here wmic disk drive get status and then press enter, and right here it's just going to show status of all of your drives that you have plugged in into your computer, and every single one of them is okay. And then if we arrow up one and then we type wmic disk drive get model and then comma status and then press enter, and right here we're going to get all model hard drives that we have installed on our system and then the status okay. So this is one of the ways how to check your hard drive and the health of your hard drive. But if this is not enough, what you can do, open your internet browser and in here go to this website, and I will put link in the description below, and then we're going to download this software. Just click on download and it's going to download the software. Now we have to open file or navigate where we downloaded the software, and then we have to extract, because this is a zip file. I'm going to use WinRAR, you can use 7-zip or anything else. So I'm just going to extract here. Once extract is complete, we need to double click on this folder, and in here we need to install the software, and right here we just have to go through the installation setup, click next, accept terms and conditions, next, and then next, and then next, and you can create desktop icon and a quick launch icon. I'm just going to do desktop icon and I'm going to click next and then install. Once the installation complete, it's going to create desktop icon, and then you can leave check mark here and then you can click on finish. It's going to launch the program. Program is going to start and you'll get this screen. This is unregistered version, so this is basically going to give you 30-day trial. You can go ahead and purchase the software, but right here you're going to be able to find all of your hard drives installed, the temperature on them, the status, performance, and then you can navigate through all of the tabs. Like for example, this one right here, temperature, and then smart, all the information about it, and then logs if there is any, and then disk performance, and then if there is any alerts. And then you can go back to overview, and then right here you can change different hard drives. And then I'm gonna switch over to SSD. Same thing, health is excellent, performance is excellent, temperature is running at 30 Celsius, that's fine. Then right here more data, and then you can click at the information. It's gonna tell you the detailed firmware version, SSD controller, and everything else from your hard drive. And for example, if you don't want to use this software because this is only a demo, or you can use this trial only for 30 days, what you can do, you can go to this website, and I'll put link in the description below as well, and you can download this one. This one is not going to show you as much as information as the other one, but this one is a freeware, and it's also going to show you temperature, health, firmware, model, and everything else from your hard drive. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.